Hi guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, I'm Kyla. I make makeup videos. Let's see here. Today, first of all, part of my brows, I cannot get them under control. I don't know what the problem is. I haven't shaped them in a while. I'm trying to let them grow because I felt like they weren't very even, and so like I want to let them like grow out some and then reshape them, but we end up like this. I used the Anastasia Brow Definer in Caramel. Yeah. And then on my face, I have the Anastasia foundation, the Luminous foundation in the shade 110C. I've been loving this. I don't have anything else on except for the ColourPop lip oil on my lips. Because today we are doing Boxycharm unboxing. Look at my box. This is how it came. Super beat up. What? But we are, Boxycharm is $25 a month now, I think, and then there's the Boxy Luxe, which comes every 3 months. It's quarterly, yeah. And that's like $50, I think. So this month's box is themed Candy Shop, and you get 5 products, usually give or take 5 to 7-ish, it just depends. So let's go ahead. I'm gonna use them today to the best of my abilities. So first I'm just going to show you everything and then we're going to apply. So the first thing I'm not going to use, this is the Frank Body Glow Mask and it has caffeine in it. It says, glow on, I dare you. For bouncy skin, apply a thick layer 2 to 3 times per week. Massage into skin and leave for 10 minutes. Rinse and glow. Yeah, I can't use this. Lots of things that have vitamin C will not be on my face, but it's fine. It says that it retails for $21.95. It's a moisturizing face mask and is ultra hydrating and natural. It helps with puffiness and to give your skin extra life by glow and brightness. It's great for pre-makeup, late nights, and morning afters. It's natural, cruelty-free, and only takes 5 minutes to work. I won't be using that, sorry. But regardless, you do you. If vitamin C works for you, it does not work for me. So the next thing is some brushes from Luxie. It's the Wanderlust set. It says create eye-catching looks with this 5-piece rose gold synthetic brush set. The versatile collection includes a tapered shading brush, a blending brush, medium angle brush, large shader brush, plus a black brow and lash brush. Stash them in your Luxie pouch for glam on the go. You get a little pouch, which is cute. And then 5 brushes, though I hate when they include spoolies. It's not a brush. And I have it on my brow paint, so I don't really need this. But we got 5 brushes. I like Luxie brushes. I use them regularly. I have a ton of them that I always get. We get them in Boxycharm quite a lot. So this would be nice. They're always good quality. I've never gotten a Luxie brush I didn't like and use, so. We get brushes a lot and I'm not complaining because I never want to wash my brushes. Okay, I'm trying to clean as I go. So we have all of these. Yeah, they're just average. This one's a little bit sparse, so I'm not sure, but we'll manage. This probably isn't my favorite set from them. Some of the brushes are phenomenal though. And this retails for $40. That's high, but more than the cost of the box, so we have already made our money's worth. The next thing is the Beauty Bakery Breakfast in Bed eyeshadow palette. I looked this up because I get Boxycharm spoilers, like I look for them, and this online looks nothing like it does in person at all whatsoever. This is very bland and boring, and I don't care for it very much. But we can swatch it just for kicks. It is $38, and it's very dark and brown, and I don't like. I like bright neon eye looks, and I don't wear neutrals a lot, let alone like a very gray neutral eye, and it's just. But we'll swatch it and see. I've used one product from Beauty Bakery, their powder. And I love it, but these are not it. Interesting. They look way darker in the pan than they do on my hand. Did I say how much this retails for? $38? I'll put my fingers and do the rest of them. one's pretty. It's just boring. There's one shade left. It's just a boring palette. Like it doesn't speak to me. I'm gonna give it away because I'm not gonna ever wear it. But yeah, that's just not very impressive for me. It's fine, we'll make do. Then we have the lashes. There's the lashes. It says Lava Lashes Los Angeles. Lava Lashes. Premium Faux Make. I think, yeah. Those charms. Is that like a style of lashes? Why can't I get these out? They are huge. Can you see them? They're massive. And they come with a description and no glue, which is fine. And in the package it says seduce with one glance. So it says every pair of Lava Lashes is handcrafted with care. Our cruelty-free lashes are reusable and stackable. Avoid use of mascara to prolong the life of the lashes. Interesting. Okay, that's fine. And then we have okay, did I tell you those retail for $19.99? And then last but not least, we have the thing that I was most excited for, which is the thing that we got to choose for this month. I was honestly contemplating like getting rid of Boxycharm, and then I saw this and I was like, no. It's the Dose of Colors Meet Your Hue Concealer, which retails for $24. So this is pretty much the price of the box on its own. So I am super excited to try this. I got mine in the shade O2 Fair. We had to pick it. I wanted one, I think, but it was like already sold out, so I got this one. So that is everything in my box. So we're gonna go ahead and start putting stuff on. So let's start with the concealer. I'm gonna use my beauty blender because we didn't get a brush that would work for it. Ooh, that's light. That's super light compared to this foundation. The foundation is like a hair dark for me, but it's not like crazy dark. Like it's pretty good compared to my neck, but let's see. Okay, coverage. Wow, this was very light. I should not use this foundation with this concealer. The concealer is really white compared to it. Okay, it's definitely like a good coverage, that's for sure. And it's definitely, can you even tell, like it's super light compared to the rest of my face right now, like with this foundation. But we are making do. I'm going to like accent my face now because this is like kind of too light for me, which I never thought I would ever say. But we're gonna accent a little. Oh, I also forgot that I had the Rare Beauty primer on. But I'm gonna do this to kind of like balance out my face. So it doesn't look as contrasting under my eyes. Bella, what do you want, Mama? No, you can't come up here. Okay, that looks a little bit more balanced. Okay, so that's definitely something I need to use with a lighter color foundation, for sure. But it looks good otherwise, like it's got good coverage. I like the finish of it. So let me go ahead and powder on. It definitely creases. Like I can definitely see it creasing already. So if you're the kind of person that wears a concealer by itself with no powder, this is not for you, honey. It just isn't. Okay, I think it looks really pretty. Like it's not super dry looking, which is really nice. I don't like concealers that look really dry. It doesn't draw out too much of my texture. It looks pretty decent. Can you guys kind of tell? Like, I hope it doesn't like just blur me out. But I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my base, like some blush, bronzer, that kind of thing, and then we'll come back and do the eyes. Okay, we're back. Okie dokie, I'm back. I have my base on. I did the Hourglass bronzer and blush from this palette. This is the Ambient Lighting Edit Volume 2. So the bronzer is Filtered Bronze Light, and then the blush is Luminous Glow. I love them. And then the highlighter is Cookie from Benefits. I like it as well. So I am going to go ahead and do my eyeshadow now with this Beauty Bakery Breakfast in Bed eyeshadow palette. Yeah. So I'm going to use this Luxie brush. It's the 205 Tapered Blending Brush. And I'm going to take Forehead Kisses, which is this one, and start it in my crease. Doesn't show up. Cool. Bless you. I guess I can zoom you guys in some. So that didn't really show up too much. It gave a little bit. This is not good. There's like nothing going down. Cool. So we're gonna take this one then, Messy Hair, and hopefully get some more payoff that's not too dark because we don't have a transition shade. This look is gonna be dark, I can tell. Okay, sorry, my sister called me while I was in the middle of finishing. But you guys saw like what I finished up with on my eyes. I pointed to which shades it was. They don't look too bad. Like, it looks fine. My lips look weird. I used the Huda liquid lipstick in Trendsetter, but it's like this side is way darker than this side. I don't really know what happened. Like, they look even in size, but this one's so much darker that it almost looks bigger. It's bizarre. But I tried to put the lashes on, but they look ridiculous on me. My eyes are too small. I even trimmed them and like actually like tried to glue them, but like here I can like place it on. Not only does it not sit right, like it sits, it doesn't like sit on my lashes very well, but it's really uncomfortable and they're like super long. Like, it just doesn't look very balanced. So that's a no-go on the lashes for me. But I like the concealer. It seems to have like set a little bit better. It's not as like light looking as it was. I like the brushes, and I like the concealer, the brushes. The palette isn't awful, but it's okay. And what else was there? I won't be using that mask. This month was okay. I've been wanting this Dose of Color concealer, so that's like nice. But I am not that impressed with all of the other ones. So that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. subscribe if you haven't already. Check out my Instagram, it's at Make Up My Smile. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.